Okay, I'm going to use the Midnight Masquerade palette, and we're just going to get right into this. Hidden Secret. Rebel. And now just put Sneak Peek halfway on the lower lash. I got the shade Lovesick, so let's go ahead and put that on. The Kat Von D, what is this? Liquid lipstick. As you can see, that's the shade. I absolutely love this. I have nothing like this in my collection, and I've actually never tried the Kat Von D liquid lipstick, so I was super excited about this. But I like the color. It's like a pink, purple slash mauve. And that is the completed look. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like this video if you liked it. And thanks for watching. God bless. Bye.